All right, guys, so 2016 Ford F-150, lowered, 5.0 Coyote. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Got factory converter there, wise it to a single. Kept the stock resonator for now. Replaced the stock muffler with a Corsa performance muffler. There's the part number on it right there. CP300SS. Corsa 1 of 1, Corsa performance muffler right there. Then 3-inch pipe continues out the back, and that's it. So next week he's going to bring it. He's going to enjoy this for the weekend. And next week he's going to bring it back. We're going to put a cutout on it, or right before the muffler. And then also a tip, a dual tip that's going to go over here. All right, but for now, you guys got the Corsa performance muffler. So we'll let you guys hear that before we do anything else. All right, stay tuned. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And there's that stock muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. All right, guys, here we go. 2019 Ford F-150 5.0. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. The cats are still there, and there. Wise it to a single. We took the stock resonator off and replaced it with a vibrant bottle. Part number 1792 for your viewing pleasure. Changed the mid pipe to 3-inch. Stock muffler to Borla S-type. Part number 400843. There'll be a link in the description for it too. And that one too. And then tailpipe and nice clean tip to finish it off out the back right there. Nice and clean right there. 5-inch roll. Double wall stainless steel. There's the resonator that was on it that we took off, mid pipe and muffler. You see the mid pipe, how it's only 2 1/4. We replaced it and replaced it with 3-inch. It looks a lot cleaner and nicer. Just fits the truck a lot nicer. If you guys agree, let me know in the comments. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, Ford F-150. I love that saying. It's so true because it is just paper. Anyways, here we go with Corsa performance muffler stock resonator. Go ahead. It's not too bad. Give it gas. Yes, that's perfect. That's without a cutout, without anything. That's even still got their stock resonator on it, bro. It sounds that good. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 102, so it's probably about 105 because it's on the other side. Yeah, it's clean. Go ahead and back it out, bro. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. This stand, that's a perfect color. Cool wheels on it. It fits that white really nicely. What do you guys think? My job, guys. No 2 days are the same. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. All right, here we go. 19 Ford F-150 with vibrant bottle resonator and Borla S-type. Go ahead into 5-inch tip. Sound decibels 110. That sounds fantastic. $112. Sounds really good. All right, go ahead and back it out. What do you think, boss? You like it? Perfect. I love it. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop. There's our phone number right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Got a diesel coming in. F-150. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Corsa Performance muffler installed. Muffler swap Ford F-150 50 Coyote for your viewing addiction. Only at Exhaust Addicts. Come and see us for all your needs. Exhaust addiction needs. What do you think? He likes it. That's what we like to hear. Ford F-150 with vibrant bottle and Borla S-type muffler swap and 5-inch tip. This was the factories that was on it that we cut off and replaced. So it's got a full 3-inch Borla S-type and vibrant bottle resonator setup. It's still here. Wow, sounds phenomenal. Let's go. He's a big fan. He's been a fan for a while. So we really appreciate him. He's been watching us. How many years do you think you've been watching?
Oh man, probably a good 3 years.
At least 3 years. So
yeah.
He just bought this brand new truck. It's a 2023 Ford F-150 EcoBoost XLT. Good looking truck. He goes, I'm gonna straight pipe it for a week. And then after a week, he's gonna come back and he's gonna have us choose a muffler for him. So I'm gonna go back there, start it, okay? Here we go. It's a good looking truck. Very clean. We put him a side pipe, dual tip, and it's got a muffler delete. Not too bad. For what it is, it's not bad, not bad. Rev it again. Here he goes, he's gonna, go ahead. He's gonna take off now. We're gonna put him on Instagram. Thank you, bro, enjoy it. Here we go, here we go. Hell yeah, that's a nice drive off right there. What do you guys think of that straight pipe on that EcoBoost? Let me know in the comments. I don't think it's too bad actually. It's not as bad as the old ones. So they refined it a little bit more. Only at Exhaust Addicts, guys. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. Check out that Jeep just chilling there. We're gonna work on that next.